Good day. My name is Imelda Kawili Baquilar, 37 years old, from Boyombong, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I'm single and I have two kids. One girl, she's 13 years old, and one boy, he's 10 years old. My highest education I attended is high school graduate. I have work experience in other countries for 2 years at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I serve 6 members of the family, one couple, and 4 children aged 2, 8, 9, and 10-year old. I also work here in Hong Kong for 2 months. I serve one old woman. My currently here in Hong Kong looking for a new employer. My duties are cleaning, cooking, washing dishes, and washing clothes and ironing. I want to work here in Hong Kong. I want to provide my family's living and save money for my daughter and son education. I'm willing to take good care for a newborn baby, toddler children or elderly. And for my future employer, please choose me and I promise me to perform my duties and my responsibilities and for the best of my abilities and to strictly follow house work. And thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.